If you want to know how to scale objects in AutoCAD, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to resize any object in your drawing using the scale command. This is one of the most useful tools in AutoCAD because it lets you enlarge or reduce objects accurately without redrawing them from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. You can use an existing project or start with a new file, whichever works best for what you're trying to edit. Once your drawing is open, go to the Home tab on the top ribbon. From there, find the Scale tool and click it. This will activate the Scale command, which is used to change the size of selected objects in your drawing. After clicking Scale, AutoCAD will ask you to select the object or objects you want to resize. Click on the item you want to scale. You can select a single object, or if you need to, you can select multiple objects at once. Once your object is selected, press Enter to confirm your selection and move to the next step. Now AutoCAD will prompt you to specify a base point. This base point is very important because it determines where the object will scale from. Click the point you want to use as the anchor point. Usually this is a logical point on the object, like a corner, center, or another reference point that makes the scaling process more controlled and accurate. After choosing the base point, AutoCAD will ask you to enter a scale factor. This is where you decide how much bigger or smaller you want the object to become. If you want to enlarge the object, type in a number greater than 1, like 2. If you want to reduce it, use a number less than 1, like 0.5. Then press Enter to apply the scale. AutoCAD will immediately resize the object based on the factor you entered. And that's it. Your object has now been scaled in AutoCAD. This is a fast and efficient way to adjust object size while keeping your workflow smooth and accurate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.